Life is just magical and amazing every day. If you want to party, Koh Phi Phi is your place. Cheap beers, cheap street food, clubs all night long. But on the flip side, there's this. And it's also the gateway to one of Thailand's most famous, stunning destinations. Let's hop over to Koh Phi Phi. Morning from the boat dock here in Ao Nang. We are at the pier and today we are travelling to Koh Phi Phi, which is like an island of paradise from what I see. We shall see when we get there. I know it's been commercialised, but we're going to have 2 nights there. It is noisy, there is speedboats, there's transport, it's a hub of activity. Now I had 2 choices. I could get the ferry, which would take about 3 hours, or I could get the speedboat, which is going to be an hour and a half. So it's half the time. It was double the cost, have to say. So it was 1,000 baht, which is about 24-25 pounds. But for me, I don't love boats. This is the best way for me and we're going with it. And then the faster I am, the more time I have in paradise. But we're going to be leaving very soon. Koh Phi Phi is a series of islands in the Krabi province in Thailand. If you're a tourist, you're going to be staying on Phi Phi Don, although Phi Phi Lay is visited as well. It's still under construction, some of it, due to the tsunami that absolutely devastated these islands in 2004. Maybe over-commercialised now, but amongst that is this insane beauty. And I couldn't resist booking a boat trip and going out and seeing some of Thailand's most iconic spots for myself. Good morning! We are going on a pirating adventure today. So this is the Phi Phi Pirate Cruise, and I've got some fellow travellers with me. The great thing about solo travel is there is always someone else solo travelling. You make connections. And I'll put in a couple of clips from last night. But we are about to board a pirate galleon to go find buried treasure, explore unknown islands, and a lot of water. Stop 1 today is Monkey Beach. Now you could jump off the boat and swim, or do what I did and get the little boat. And like the name suggests, we are here to see the monkeys. Right there. Now I'm not sure I agree with this. This is a lot of people just for a couple of monkeys. There's one here, and then the lady behind the monkey is sitting and exploring. I don't know what they've given it. So yeah, it's paradise, clearly. Monkey Beach, another paradise location. But this going on behind me, this many people surrounding the monkeys and giving them the food that they are, that bothers me. I think it needs controlling in a way, because that is ridiculous. We've arrived at the mega famous, thank you Leonardo DiCaprio, Maya Bay. It's the big one. It's the one everyone talks about when they think about Thailand. famous in the movie, the beach, and we're gonna go. Okay guys, so this is now the way into Maya Bay. After the closure, they wanted to restore everything here, the ecosystem, fish life, and so they built this back entrance, and you'll see where we come out. These are the rules I was talking about. Obviously we don't touch shells, no sunscreens, you have to be careful, no littering, leave the fish alone, no drones, this is a common one now we travel, no drones, no swimming, and they will blow a whistle at you. Oh my god guys, we made it, we made it, we made it. Oh my god. So Maya Bay is just way bigger than I was expecting. You know, I'd seen 100 videos of people reviewing Maya Bay or coming to Maya Bay from their own perspective, and this is vast. I mean, look at these mountains and cliffs around. It's beautifully calm because it's sheltered, and I understand why you can't swim anymore, but what a shame. Not that I want to be the one to upset the fish, that is for sure, but I'm going to take a walk down here because you got to get this iconic photo with the opening. Yep, I've just realised why absolutely everybody is this end, and it's to get that iconic shot. But I mean, you can see why. For most people, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience coming to this cove, so. Yeah, a few people kind of, they weren't going swimming, but they were pushing it just a little bit much, you know, maybe past knee, and that whistle blew. So they are watching the whole time. Don't try it. So we're still at Maya Bay, but we've come around the corner. So Maya Bay would be tucked in there, and we're allowed to be here, and they have kayaks on the boat, paddleboards, snorkeling gear. So we're going to get out in the water. So you might not be able to swim at Maya Bay itself, but you can get pretty close and still see everything that's in the water. So we're going to try and find some fish right now. So, you know, no big deal, just snorkeling around nearby a bay. And sun is going to set. Basically, the most incredible, you got the most incredible setting is sunset on a pirate ship. I am one of the luckiest people in the world who I get to experience every day. Let me tell you why travel matters, because you don't know what's going to happen every day. You don't know who you're going to meet. You don't know what beauty you're going to see. It's a whole incredible, magical experience. It's incredible. That felt so good. This is what's behind me. Life is just magical and amazing every day. And just when we thought the emotional breakdowns were done, oh no, because this glorious sunset was gifted to me. And you'll see, from one side I could see the sun setting, and from the other, the moon was in the sky. Unbelievable. Thank you so much for watching my Tears and Wonder in Koh Phi Phi, and I'll see you really soon from Koh Lipe.